The new Macan is the highest performing model in its segment, offering e-performance typical to Porsche. The turbo achieves up to 470 kilowatts and 1130 Newton meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of 260 kilometers per hour. The turbo has a range of up to 591 kilometers, with the range of the Macan 4 going up to 613 kilometers. A high-voltage battery with an energy content of 100 kilowatts per hour, 95% of which we can use. We can charge with up to 270 kilowatts at an 800-volt fast charging station. This allows us to charge the battery from 10 to 80% in around 21 minutes. There's enough space in the front luggage compartment for the charging equipment or a travel bag. Inside, there's room for the whole family and the luggage, plus a towing capacity of up to 2 tons. First time, we are offering a head-up display with augmented reality. The new generation of the infotainment system enables powerful connectivity functions. Apps from third-party providers can now also be downloaded via our App Center. It was important to us to have a low seat position and a good view of the 12.6-inch curved display. With its Porsche active aerodynamics, the new Macan is one of the most streamlined SUVs. We have fully variable cooling air flaps, a completely closed underbody, flow-optimized wheel designs, and an adaptive rear spoiler. This enables us to achieve our top drag coefficient of 0.25. The all-electric version is a performance-oriented SUV with great everyday usability, high-quality equipment, and plenty of space.
Wait a minute.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.